about exam theorem for parallelogram. What is the theorem? Prove that the opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. That is the theorem sentence. In solution, first part is given, that is correct answer, and sentence also correct. Which sentence? Yes. Parallelogram word is important, and that word we write in given. Quadrilateral, name of quadrilateral is ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. First part given, second part is good. To prove, which sentence in to prove? Opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent is important word. Which opposite sides? Tell here. Side AB and side DC. Good. Segment AB congruent segment DC. Another pair is segment AD congruent AD congruent segment BC. Opposite sides we write here. Then we write opposite angles. Which are the opposite angles? Angle ADC, that is actually D angle. Congruent angle ABC, that is B. Angle ADC, congruent angle ABC. And second pair is angle DAB congruent angle DCB. A and C. DAB DCB. Angle DAB congruent angle DCB. Next part is good construction. What we do construction? First, we show sides are congruent. These are sides. Is it correct? These two pairs are sides, and these two pairs are angles. When we say that corresponding sides are congruent, small mistake. Why? Why we draw diagonal join diagonal AC? When we say that sides corresponding sides are congruent, when two lines are parallel but small mistake. No, that is wrong. When we say that corresponding sides are congruent, that is simple question I ask. Whose thinking is correct? I find whose thinking is correct. Small mistake, wrong answer. No. Geometrical thinking are wrong. No, wrong answer. After that, no, wrong. Anyone give answer? Sit down. No any student can think and give answer. When we say that corresponding sides are congruent, when two triangles are congruent. Not remember? When two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are congruent. C, S, C, T. You remember that reason? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles are congruent. For that purpose, tell two triangles, name of two triangles, side AB and AD. Tell the name of triangle whose sides are AB and AD. AB and AD are the sides of which triangle? DAB. For that purpose, what we join? For getting triangle DAB. Good. Join segment DB. Good answer given. Yes. Name of triangle whose sides are AB and AD. AB and AD. Name of triangle, that is triangle ADB. That triangle sides are AB and AD. For that purpose, we join segment DB. Join segment DB. Name of first triangle is ADB. And name of second triangle whose sides are DC and BC. DC and BC. ADB CBD. That is correct. 1-1 correspondence. Triangle CBD is 1-1 correspondence, correct. Then in proof, we show these two triangles, we show congruent in triangle ADB, correct, and triangle CBD. For showing two triangles are congruent, how many conditions are essential? Three conditions is correct answer. Which are they? Yes? Repeat again. Corresponding angles are congruent. Is it correct? Which are the corresponding angles? Which are the alternate angle? Good answer. Angle D means first, second or big third. Which D angle? There are three D angles. First, second and big D is the third. What do you tell here? First D, angle first D. In this way you can write trilaterals is the correct answer. Angle ADB, this angle, good, congruent with CBD, that also correct, angle CBD, and reason is, yes, these are alternate angles. Alternate angles. When we say that alternate angles are congruent, when we say that alternate angles are congruent, no. Next. Wrong. When we say that alternate angles are congruent. Good. When two lines are parallel. Which lines are parallel? DC and AB. DC line and transversal making which angle? Tell the name of angle, this angle. Angle CDB, but here angle CBD. That is wrong answer. You tell wrong answer. Line AD parallel line BC. That is correct answer. AD and DC are parallel and transversal is BC. Correct. Sorry. Here BC and transversal is DB is transversal and DB is transversal. Good answer given here. These are the alternate angles because these two lines are parallel. Why? These two lines are parallel. Why parallel? Yes, good. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel in definition. Is it correct? If opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then it is called as parallelogram. Therefore, this is parallelogram, and we can say that opposite sides are parallel. Parallel spelling present here, and ogram is attached for parallel. Parallelogram. Then next condition is, this is the first condition, and we want three conditions. Segment DB congruent segment DB. Good. Segment DB congruent segment DB. That DB present in first triangle and DB present in also second triangle. Is it correct? Reason is, yes, this is common side. Common side and common side congruent itself. Good. There are two conditions completed. Third condition is angle ABD. Good. Angle CDB. Why these angles are congruent? Alternate angles. Tell the name again. Angle this. Angle ABD is the correct answer. Congruent angle CDB also correct. And reason is alternate angles. Why alternate angles are congruent? Why alternate angles are congruent? Good. Which two lines are parallel? Segment AB and segment DC are parallel because this is yes, all students, this quadrilateral is parallelogram. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. This line and transversal meet together at B. Is it correct? Then this parallel line and transversal meet together at D. Is it correct? Which lines are parallel? AB and DC. AB is parallel to DC and transversal is DB is transversal and DB is transversal. Therefore, three conditions we get here. Therefore, correct, good. Triangle ADC. Where is the ADC? This is first ADC or second ADC? Or ADC? 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 Yes. triangle ADB here present. Don't pressure on your brain because hairs are removed. Yes, already names are present. That see and tell here. Triangle ADB, congruent triangle CBD. Good. And reason is yes. Tell all student. Yes, this is angle A. Side yes. Angle A. A yes A. In that triangle A yes A means A yes A test, and therefore if two triangles are congruent, think and write yourself. Don't ask me. Yes. If two triangles are congruent, then yes, good. Then corresponding sides are congruent. Which are the corresponding sides? Good. Only one side we write and two remaining. Tell the remaining sides. First, big side tell here. Not side. Yes, segment AB. That is correct answer. Segment AB. Congruent segment DC. Good. And segment AD. Good. Congruent. Repeat again. Segment AD congruent. Segment BC. Good. And tell reason. CSCT means, tell all student. Repeat again. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Good. If two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are congruent, and also no, and also no, wrong. And also corresponding sides are congruent, and also corresponding angles are also congruent. Which are the corresponding angles? These two angles we write here. Then which angle remaining? This angle remaining. That is angle DAB. Angle DAB congruent. One corresponding start from not D. DAB small side, big side here. BCD small side, big side. This is one correspondence. Tell again. Angle BCD. Angle BCD. And reason is good. CACT. Tell expansion form. Tell all students. Yes. This first part we prove here, and second half part only we prove here. Another part remaining. Which part remaining? DAB, DCB, DAB, DCB present here. Which part remaining? ADC and ABC. For showing ADC and ABC, join which diagonal? AC join, and same method apply and we can prove that. Is it correct? There are two methods. First method is join AC and write 3, 3, 5 and 6 steps. After joining AC, write 6 steps. Otherwise, next method is write only one sentence. Which method we apply here? 7 sentence or one sentence? What do you want? One sentence, because Shahi Bachat program. We apply here mostly. Which is the shortcut method? One sentence. Two tail, one sentence. Yes, two tail.
Similarly, we can prove that.
Yes, good. Similarly, we can prove that angle ADC congruent angle ABC. Good answer given here. Good. Very good answer. Here we write sentence. Therefore, similarly, we can prove that angle is ADC congruent angle ABC. This ADC congruent angle ABC we can prove here. Same method we can apply here, and we write here, hence the proof. This is the method of solution. Is any difficulty? Write down.